Hi, community. Welcome. Thank you so much for pressing play and being here with me today. My name is Kristin Skelton. I'm the founder of Bud Funding, and here we are all about making sustainability easy and fun. So today in this video, I am going to be announcing the launch of my new program, which I am super excited about. It's the Sustainable Human Workshop, and this is a free 5-day workshop that starts on next Monday, October 4th, and it goes until Friday, October 8th. So to be involved in this workshop, all you need to do is click the link in the description of this video and you can sign up for the workshop. So how it's going to go. So every day I'm going to be going live at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And every day I am bringing on a different sustainability expert with me. So some of the topics we are going to be chatting about is we're going to be talking about solar, traditional knowledge, beekeeping, soil health, and others, but those others are going to stay a little bit of a surprise until next week. So definitely sign up for the workshop. This is a free 5-day workshop. I am super excited about it. And just click the link in the description of this video. So if you have any questions regarding those specific topics that I mentioned, definitely put them in the comments of this video so we can address those comments, address your question when we go live in the workshop and answer that question for you. And this is, sustainability is really important to me. It's important that I give our future generation a healthy, toxic-free environment and planet. I don't want to give them a planet that is filled with trash and different toxins so they can't live a healthy and happy life. And I myself, I don't want to eat fish that's, filled with plastic and different things. So sustainability is really important to me, and there's lots to know, but we don't need to know it all. We just need to take that first step. And this workshop is that first step. This is an easy way to get your feet wet in sustainability, and it's going to be tons of fun because each day I'm going to be giving like different little actionable ideas and tips and things that you can incorporate in your everyday life. And if you've ever been curious about those topics, I know, beekeeping is a really interesting topic that lots of people are interested in right now. So you'll definitely learn more about that. And yeah, it's going to be lots of fun. I'm really excited for it. And so just to recap on all of that, the workshop, to sign up for the workshop, get your name on the list, and the link to do that is in the description of this video. I'm going to be going live every day, Monday to Friday at 12 p.m. Mountain Time. If you are registered, then you will get the replay. If you can't attend live with me, you will get the replay sent directly to your email. And I'm going to be going live with different experts. Some of the experts will be talking about solar, traditional knowledge, beekeeping, soil health, all that good stuff. And if you have any questions that you want addressed, put them in the comments of this video. And yeah, it's going to be lots of fun. I cannot wait to get started. October 4th to October 8th. And yeah, super grateful for everyone in this community. Thank you so much for being part of the Bud Funding community. And I will see you on Monday. I will see you next week. Thanks so much. See you soon.